Satnam everyone, my name is Kiyomi. So I'm going to introduce you this very short and sweet set that you can do first thing in the morning to wake up your pranic energy, wake up your nervous systems, just start your day without having a coffee. You can just wake up immediately. You feel like you want to jump out your bed, you want to jump out your house and start your day with a full charged energy. So just pretend like you're lying down on your back in your bed or just on the floor by your bed. So this is something we recommend in the Kundalini Yoga tradition, that we do a stretch pose and a breath of fire to wake up your nervous system. And start with stretch pose. So you're going to lie down on your back. Good. So just imagine you're just waking up, and just can bring your palms together in front of your heart, and you can love your palms. Good. And just cover your eyes with your hands. Just massage your face. Good. And just open your arms to the side, bend your knees. So before the stretch pose, just open your spine into a cat stretch, so your knees to one side to the other. Good. That's it. And once you're ready, you're going to extend your legs forward, arms forward. So you can also call this pose as Ardha Navasana. You're going to lift your shoulder blades off of the ground. Lift your legs a few inches off of the ground. Spin your inner thighs down, big toes touch. If your neck is tender, you can slide one of your hands behind your head. So we're going to do breath of fire, very short, sharp exhale through your nostril. Each exhale, you pump your lower abdomen. So when you're ready, take a deep inhale, lift both hands, and begin breath of fire. So keep your lower back down onto the ground so you can support your lower abdomen. Good. If you need to take a break, just lower one leg at a time. And then come on back in when you can. Good. Keep supporting your lower back by hugging your navel slightly. Good. Now take a deep inhale. Hold your breath, hold your pose, squeeze all the muscles. Ooh, and exhale to release. Good. Just relax for a moment. You feel like you're already awake. Hug your knees in. Bring your nose in between your knees. Good. Same breath of fire. If your neck is tender, bring one hand behind your head. Take a deep inhale through your nose. And begin breath of fire. Keep pumping your lower abdomen with each exhale. Good. Fully charge yourself with flesh prana, the vital energy force. Good. Keep your shoulder blades down so you can relax your neck. Good. Take a deep inhale here. Hold your breath. Squeeze your rectum, sex organs. Lift your pelvic floor. And slowly exhale, release. Good. And grab hold of the back of your thighs. Rock front and back. Massage your spine. When you're ready, make your way up into a comfortable seated position. Stretch your arms all the way up into a 60 degrees. This is the last one. Your thumbs are reaching up, 4 fingers curling. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Eyes closed and gaze to your third eye point. Begin breath of fire. So keep pumping your lower abdomen. Keep your elbows straight. Keep reaching up through your thumbs. Good. Take a deep inhale. Hold your breath. Lift your pelvic floor. Squeeze all the muscles. Without looking up, bring your thumb tips together above your head. Keep holding your breath and exhale slowly. Lower your arms. Touch the ground with your fingers and slowly open your eyes. Now you're ready to start your day. Thank you for your practice. Namaste.